If you're tired of buying cars that fall apart right after the warranty expires, you're in the right place. In 2025, not all cars are built to last, but these seven stand tall as rock-solid choices. They aren't just reliable, they're legendary for going the distance with minimal fuss. From sedans to hybrids and compacts, these cars deliver peace of mind for years to come. You'll spend less time at the mechanic and more time enjoying the drive. We've dug into real-world data, owner reviews, and long-term reliability reports to find the best. Let's dive into the 7 most reliable cars you can buy in 2025 without a second thought. Toyota Corolla. The Corolla's 2.0 liters engine is bulletproof, refined, fuel-efficient, and built to last over 200,000 miles. It's not a race car, but for daily driving and long commutes, it's smooth and responsive. Its CVT is tuned for durability, and there are no complex systems to worry about. Low maintenance, great MPG, it's everything a practical driver needs. Simple but sharp, the Corolla has a clean design with LED headlights and a modern grille. Recent models add sporty trims like the SE and XSE for drivers who want flair. Panel fit and paint quality are consistent across the board. It's a compact car that looks more expensive than it is. Inside, it's surprisingly refined for the price. Soft touch materials, well-placed controls, and solid tech. The touchscreen interface is easy to use, and all trims now come standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Seats are comfortable even on long rides, and everything feels well built. No rattles, no creaks, just consistency. The Corolla is a textbook example of why Toyota dominates reliability rankings. It's not flashy, but it outlasts trendier cars by miles. You'll see 10-year-old Corolla still running strong everywhere for a reason. Set it and forget it. This car is built to last. But if you want a reliable car with a little more style and driver excitement, our next pick will surprise you. Mazda III. With sharp steering and a peppy 2.5 liters engine, the Mazda III feels way more premium than its class. It's a driver's car with the heart of an economy vehicle, fun but efficient. The naturally aspirated engine is simple and proven for long-term use. Manual or auto, both options are solid performers with low failure rates. Mazda nailed the design, sculpted curves, an elegant grille, and available 18 wheels. It looks like a luxury car without the high price tag. The paint finish is top tier, especially in Mazda's signature Soul Red Crystal. It's a compact that turns heads everywhere it goes. Minimalist but rich, the layout is intuitive, and materials are premium for the segment. Quiet cabin, supportive seats, and a slick infotainment dial instead of a touchscreen. Everything feels tight and thoughtfully designed, like it was built to age well. You'd never guess this car costs under $30K. Mazda combines reliability with style and driving fun in a way few brands can. It's proof that dependable doesn't have to mean boring. Great for young buyers, commuters, or anyone who wants value and soul. A true underdog winner. Next up, a hybrid legend that's not just about saving gas, but saving you from future repairs. Honda Accord Hybrid. The Accord Hybrid blends Honda's proven 2.0 liters engine with electric motors for seamless power delivery. It's quick off the line, smooth at speed, and astonishingly fuel-efficient at over 45 mpg. The eCVT transmission is incredibly low maintenance and very reliable. Honda's hybrid system is among the most bulletproof in the business. The 2025 Accord Hybrid looks sleek and grown up, long lines, wide stance, and bold LED lighting. There's a premium feel without going over the top. Even base trims look upscale, and higher trims could pass for luxury sedans. It has real road presence. Spacious, clean, and tech-forward, the new cabin design is driver-focused and minimalist. You get a large touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, and top safety features standard. Materials are excellent, and the ride quality is near silent. It feels like a car you'll be comfortable in for 10+ years. The Accord Hybrid is the sweet spot between eco-friendly driving and long-term value. Honda's reliability reputation holds strong with this powertrain. It's smart, stylish, and built like a tank underneath. Perfect for families or daily drivers who want zero hassle. Need something a little smaller, but just as trustworthy? This next car is a compact workhorse. Hyundai Elantra. Hyundai's updated 2.0 liters engine in the Elantra is simple, efficient, and designed for low-stress driving. It's not thrilling, but it's smooth, responsive, and handles city and highway commutes with ease. The CVT is better tuned than older models, and long-term data shows solid durability. Low running costs and excellent warranty coverage add peace of mind. The Elantra's sharp angles, LED accents, and bold grille give it a unique look. It's not your typical budget car. It looks futuristic and distinct. Higher trims like the N-Line add sporty styling without breaking the bank. It's youthful, edgy, and stands out in a crowd. Step inside, and you'll find more tech than you'd expect. Digital gauges, a large screen, and quality materials. Seat comfort is great for long trips, and rear space is generous for a compact. Hyundai nails the mix of form and function. Everything feels intuitive and well put together. The Elantra is proof that reliability doesn't have to be boring or expensive. It's budget-friendly, but still looks and feels modern. Backed by Hyundai's industry-leading 10-year powertrain warranty. A smart pick for value-focused buyers. Now that we've covered 4 rock-solid cars, are you ready for the final 3 that round out this elite list? Subaru Legacy. Subaru's signature flat-4 engine delivers solid torque and stability, especially with standard AWD. It's not a powerhouse, but it's smooth, balanced, and known to keep running well past 200,000 miles. The CVT transmission is refined in recent models and built to last with fewer known issues. Great for all-weather driving and long-distance comfort. The Legacy has a mature, understated design with clean lines and functional aerodynamics. Standard LED headlights and a bold grille keep it modern without being flashy. It doesn't scream for attention, it earns it over time. Great curb appeal for a sedan that focuses on substance. Inside, it's a quiet, roomy cabin with top-tier visibility and supportive seating. Subaru's Starlink infotainment system is responsive and intuitive, even in base trims. The materials are built to withstand wear without looking cheap. It's a car you'll enjoy driving and keeping. The Legacy is ideal for drivers in colder climates who need year-round reliability. It's practical, safe, and incredibly consistent over time. A sedan that's designed to age gracefully and rarely let you down. No-nonsense engineering that just works. Now, if you want legendary reliability paired with hybrid savings, this next car might be the smartest buy of all. Kia Nero Hybrid. The Nero Hybrid's 1.6 liters engine and electric motor combo provide over 50 mpg with no plug-in required. It's smooth, quiet, and surprisingly peppy for a hybrid in this price range. Simple mechanics and proven hybrid tech result in very few long-term issues. It's ideal for city drivers who want to skip the gas station and the repair shop. Compact and modern, the Nero features sharp LED lighting, 2-tone paint options, and bold grille styling. It's got crossover looks with hatchback practicality. Compact size makes it easy to park, but it doesn't feel cheap. It stands out without screaming, "Eco car." Kia continues to impress with a clean, tech-rich cabin that includes a digital cluster and large infotainment screen. Materials are well chosen, and build quality is tight. The layout is ergonomic, and there's surprising rear seat space for its size. Everything's where it should be, and it all just works. The Nero Hybrid is a quiet achiever, practical, affordable, and shockingly dependable. Kia's 10-year warranty only adds to the appeal. This is one of the most worry-free hybrids on the market. Efficient, affordable, and built to go the distance. And finally, a sedan that stood the test of time for decades and keeps getting better. Ford Fusion. The Ford Fusion may have flown under the radar, but its available engines, especially the 2.5 liters naturally aspirated and 1.5 liters turbo, are known for solid reliability and smooth power. It offers confident handling, good road manners, and feels more substantial than most midsize sedans. Transmission tuning has improved in later models, and long-term ownership reports show very few major issues. It's one of the most mechanically dependable sedans Ford has produced in recent years. The Fusion's design aged well, with a sleek front fascia, Aston Martin-inspired grille, and coupe-like profile. Even base trims look upscale, and higher trims add chrome touches and LED lighting. It has the stance of a luxury sedan without the price tag. It's proof that American cars can look sharp and stay stylish over time. Inside, the cabin is spacious, well laid out, and built with above-average materials for the price point. It features a large infotainment screen, simple controls, and comfy seating for 5. Noise insulation is surprisingly good, and trunk space is best in class. It's an interior designed to age gracefully without rattles or quirks. The Ford Fusion blends American durability with sleek styling and real-world practicality. It's no longer in new production, but late-model Fusions from 2020 and beyond are built to last. They're affordable on the used market, and with proper maintenance, they'll easily cross the 200K mile mark. A great choice for buyers who want reliable performance and US-made quality. Now let's look at what the numbers say. Here's how Consumer Reports ranks these legends of longevity. If you're wondering what backs this list, it's not just hype. Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, and owner surveys consistently rank Toyota, Honda, Subaru, Mazda, Kia, and Hyundai near the top for long-term reliability. These brands have fewer repairs, lower ownership costs, and excellent resale value. Across tens of thousands of vehicles, the data is clear. These models are built to go 200,000 miles and beyond. Whether it's a hybrid, a compact, or a family sedan, the engineering just holds up. Fewer headaches, more peace of mind. So there you have it, 7 of the most reliable cars you can confidently buy in 2025. These aren't just smart choices, they're long-term companions that save you time, stress, and serious money. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world car advice, and let me know in the comments, which of these would you buy this year? I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, drive smart, drive safe.